Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 10th question in exercise 7.6. So let's first start with this subdivision. Integral dx divided by x into x power n plus 1. From this both terms, I'm going to take x power n outside. So this integration will change as dx divided by x power. Here I'm taking x power n outside, so this on multiplication will become x power n plus 1 into divide every term by x power n, so this is 1 plus 1 by x power n. In the next step, we are going to substitute this 1 plus 1 by x power n as t. So let's do that. So 1 plus 1 divided by x power n is equal to t. So on differentiation, minus n divided by x power n plus 1 dx is equal to dt. We already have dx divided by x power n plus 1 here in this integration. So we'll find out only the value for that. So dx divided by x power n plus 1 is minus dt divided by n. So this integration will now change as integral minus dt by n by t. We can take the minus 1 by n outside. So this will become integral of dt divided by t. So let's integrate directly. So this is going to be minus 1 by n log t plus c. So now this t I can put back its original value, minus 1 by n log of 1 plus 1 by x power n plus c. We can take an LCM here. So minus 1 by n log of x power n plus 1 divided by x power n plus c. If you want, you can remove this negative sign and bring it in here. So this will change the log as log of x power n divided by x power n plus 1 plus c. The negative sign alone has gone inside. So this is 1 by n. You can either leave the answer in this style or this style, but both the answers are the same. Now let's look at the second subdivision. Like in the first subdivision, I'm going to divide every term inside this bracket by the term x cube. So this integration will change as dx divided by x power 4 into 1 plus 8 by x cube. Now we can substitute this 1 plus 8 by x cube as t. So let's do that. 1 plus 8 by x cube is equal to t. So this is minus 8 into 3 divided by x power 4 dx is equal to dt. So this is minus 24 dx divided by x power 4 is equal to dt. We already have a dx by x power 4. So let's find the value. Dx by x power 4 is minus dt divided by 24. So now let's make the substitution back. So this is integral of minus dt by 24, the whole thing by t. We'll take the minus 1 by 24 out. So it is integral of dt by t. So let's perform direct integration. So minus 1 by 24 log t plus c. So this is minus 1 by 24 log of, substitute back the value of t, which is 1 plus 8 by x cube plus c. You can take LCM. So minus 1 by 24 log of x cube plus 8 by x cube plus c. Again, we can bring in the negative side inside the log. So the answer can change as 1 by 24 log of x cube divided by x cube plus 8 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 11th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.